Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Polar Flow application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Polar Flow application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down, tap on Devices, and here you should see your POLAR Vantage M. And one of the options should be Phone Notifications. If you want to enable the phone notifications, tap on On, allow the required permissions. If you see this pop-up, tap on Turn On, and it will redirect you to device and app notifications or notification access. Here, find the Polar Flow, tap on it, tap on this switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and go back. And do the same for the Polar Flow, the second one, because you have two of them. Like that. And once they're on the allowed list, you can go back to the app and the notifications should be enabled. At this point, you should be able to receive the notifications. So we're gonna send ourselves a message on Discord. Let me check if I'm logged in into Discord on this phone. I am not, so I'm gonna log in. Okay, so we are logged in now. And we're gonna send ourselves a message and see if it's gonna pop up on the watch. So let's send the message. And we got it on our phone. Let's check our watch. Looks like we didn't get it. I can't tell because the watch is in German. Let me actually change it quickly because I'm not sure what basically, because I don't speak German. Okay, we're back to English. And let's see. We should get the notification, but we didn't. So let's try to open the app and wait until it's done syncing with the watch. Maybe it needs to resync with our watch. Also, I see that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on the watch, so that would be one thing probably that would be not helping with the notifications, so we're gonna disable it soon. Let's wait until it's done syncing. Okay, it's done syncing. Let's disable the Do Not Disturb mode. Let's resync the device. So basically press and hold the lower button right here on the left side of the watch. After the watch is done syncing, let's wait and see if the notifications appear on the watch. Okay, syncing done. No notification though. Let's try sending another one. Oh, this time it worked. As you can see, we have this dot right here on the top or the lower left corner. We can press the button, scroll through the menu. Now we have the notifications option. We can press the middle button, and here we have our notification. So it is working. We had to disable the Do Not Disturb mode and sync the watch with the phone for the settings to apply. Okay, so that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.